Reservation. After completing the module, you will be able to understand the reservation process and types of reservation. Understand the various mode of sources in reservation process. Reservations in hotel industry. Reservation in a hotel means booking or reserving of a room or accommodation for a particular guest for a given period.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. How may I help you?
I want to book a room in your hotel.
Sure, ma'am. May I know your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Rima Gohutakuta.
Thank you.
We have 3 types of guest reservations: tentative reservation, waitlisted reservation, and confirmed reservation. I will explain you each type of reservations for better understanding. Tentative reservation is a reservation request that a prospective guest makes on a tentative basis for particular stay dates. The hotel will hold the room for a guest until the cut-off date, by which the guest needs to confirm the reservation. Upon confirmation, the tentative reservation will change to confirmed reservation. Otherwise, it is cancelled. A reservation is waitlisted when the requested category of room is not available for the requested dates. The waitlisted reservation is confirmed when the hotels receive a cancellation request for a room of the same category. In confirmed reservation, the hotel blocks a room for specified stay dates and sends a written confirmation of the same to the guest. The confirmation of reservation contains the following pieces of information, such as name of the guest, date and time of arrival, types of rooms, duration of stay, room rates and plans, PAX, that is number of guests, reservation confirmation number, and special request.
I'll go for a confirmed reservation without reserving a room immediately for the dates which I want.
Ma'am, we need to first check with the dates, then only we can confirm.
I'll book for 25th to 27th December. That will be 3 nights.
Right, ma'am. And what type of room you want?
What are the options available?
You can choose from double rooms, twin share rooms, triple rooms, quad rooms, and many more. However, I would suggest you to go for a double room where you and your colleague can accommodate quite comfortably. Now, double rooms come in 2 formats: air-conditioned and non-air-conditioned rooms. In our hotel, the air-conditioned double room is available for rupees 2,750 only, and the non-air-conditioned one costs rupees 2,200 only.
Fine, I want an air-conditioned double room.
Sure, ma'am. I would also like to know, you want to go for a guaranteed reservation or a non-guaranteed one?
I don't have any idea about this reservation process. Can you just explain it?
Sure, ma'am. If you go for a guaranteed reservation, we will book a room for you which will not allow to anyone even if you fail to reach on time. In that case, you have to make a prepayment which you can do in full or part. In case of non-guaranteed reservation, we will book a room for you despite not getting any payment in advance. We already saw in our previous notes that confirmed reservation is of 2 types: guaranteed reservation, non-guaranteed reservation. Let's first learn about guaranteed reservation. It is a confirmation that the hotel will hold the reserved rooms for the guest and not release it to any other guest, even if the guest doesn't arrive on time. Guaranteed reservation can be obtained through one of the following ways: prepayment, part or full, contractual agreement with travel agencies or tour operators, corporate house, allotment. Now comes non-guaranteed reservation. When a guest confirms a reservation at a hotel but doesn't guarantee it with an advance deposit, it is called a non-guaranteed reservation. Here, the hotel agrees to hold a room for the guest till the cancellation hour, until the guest informs the hotel about the late arrival. The duration of cancellation is usually up to 6 hours.